yeah, Jess is terrified. And I'm just doing this to kind of prove that I've not fallen off the face of the planet. It's just a little bit of COVID-19 cleaning. I feel like I'm allowed to say COVID-19 because I'm not monetized or anything, so it's not like I can lose my monetization, but yeah, this is what it is. So, I'm not gonna lie, it's been really hard to want to film videos, to do anything, because I've been anxious about everything that's been happening, and of course now people are rioting as well, so there's more to be anxious about. And I don't know how I feel about any of it right now. So that's me cleaning my phone. Mind the crack in the screen. I dropped it on the pavement a couple years ago and just haven't even bothered to replace it. But yeah, I've been working. I've been panicking a lot. And I've been working and playing Animal Crossing, and that's been my life. I might post an Animal Crossing video later, but I haven't got anything to do a capture for my screen, so I don't know how that's gonna go. Anyways, this is my Nintendo Switch, and on those little black gray Joy-Cons, like one of the C-sticks is drifting. I really need to open up a repair ticket with Nintendo so I can send that in and get it fixed. I do like the colorful ones I got as a replacement, but I had to go on a quest to get those because no one was shipping them. And luckily the Best Buy nearest me had them in stock. And I don't know, the colors are cute. But clean the gray ones anyways since I've got them. Just clean everything. So, I don't really know what more to say about this. I mean, yeah, Animal Crossing good. Outside world bad. That's about it. But yeah, I've not fallen off the face of the earth or died or anything like that. I don't know. I also had to like upgrade my entire computer software. Just the operating system I had to upgrade just so I could get everything set up for work from home. And then I was able to work from home for like 2 weeks before they decided that I needed to be back in the office full time. And in fairness, there's a lot of stuff I do that really goes up a lot faster when I'm on site. Like, you know, I've got 2 screens at the office, and that makes things so much quicker, but also I have to be on site to talk on the phone, to, you know, get payments from customers, and to check the voicemail for vendors. I have to be on site physically there to open the mail. So, yeah, it was a nice run while it lasted, but it didn't last for long. And, you know, everyone's supposed to be returning to the office, and that's going to be really interesting to see how we manage that. So, yeah, Yeah, I'm just wiping everything down. It was also, when I filmed this, it was also raining outside, so that's the other sound that you're hearing. I tried so many times with the drifting sea stick to like blast it with canned air to see if I could clean it out. And I wanted to take it apart and clean it thoroughly, but of course they use Nintendo screws to hold it together, so I just couldn't do it. So I'll just have to, once the facility in Redmond opens up again, I'll just have to mail it in and get it fixed. Do the screen as well. I do end up tapping out messages on the screen when I'm trying to write letters in Animal Crossing. That's a very cumbersome system that they've got going, but I guess it works. Yeah, so I'm just using the canned air as well to blast any little bits of dust out from inside the buttons. My Pro controller, which I rarely use because I have to dock the thing into the TV. And you know, I always want to play games while I'm watching TV. I just generally multitask while I'm watching TV, so I'm gonna clean it all anyways. I'm not gonna show cleaning my laptop just because it was too big to like feel like I could have it fully in the frame while I was filming. But it also gets cleaned. You know, I just go over with rubbing alcohol like once a week and just, you know, get the canned air into the keys. They're not buttons, they're keys on the keyboard. But that's all I do. So yeah, my engagement ring. It's precious to me, but it's silver and cubic zirconia, so it's not like super expensive. And I do like cleaning my jewelry, so I've got a simple solution of baking soda and water that I use, just a very light abrasive. And I'm still being careful around the stones when I scrub it. The toothbrush, you can buy those in a 2-pack at Target for like $1.50 or something. They're cheap, but you want the softest toothbrush you can find. And so I'm just scrubbing all over. The thing is that I do a lot with my hands. I really only take my ring off when I'm doing sports, and since every sport facility has been closed, I've not been doing a lot, but I do a lot of painting and stuff, and I'll still leave my ring on, but then it gets dirty very quickly. And also, because I've been washing my hands so much, I did wash my hands a lot before, but damn, I've been washing them so much with this COVID thing that in order to prevent them from cracking and drying, I've been putting Vaseline on my hands at night. And yeah, my hands really do give away my age. My face doesn't, but gosh, my hands really do belong to a 30-year-old person. So, got this polishing cloth. I got it from my old job, and so I'm just gonna scrub it clean and polish it, make it shiny. And that's what that's like. What's happening to my computer? Sorry, I had a minor technical difficulty there. Hopefully we're good. God, my finger looks like the red rum. Oh, Lord. It's cocked in that position, isn't it? Red rum. Oh, dear. Yeah, I'm just going over with the brush once more. Getting in the little crevices. I always got nervous cleaning other people's jewelry, but I love cleaning my own. Because I guess, like, if it's my own, I'm not afraid to F it up. But when it's someone else's priceless thing, then it's like, oh my god. But yeah, that's what I have to show you. There's, I apologize, there's a cat on top of me right now, so if the microphone gets a bit muffled, you know why. Yeah. Yeah, that's what I have to tell you. And coming up next is the pièce de résistance for this entire video. So we all got our stimulus, and there was a poorly written letter along with that. I did deposit the check, that's safe in my bank account, but you know, Donnie's got to realize that bribery is not legal. So, watch it go up. Watch it, watch it. Oh yeah, I also cleaned my kitchen sink. Like, the stainless steel, I'm getting better at cleaning. So, that is what's happening. Thank you for watching. Y'all are the best. I'm trying to get things reset up so I can film again, but it might take some time, and hopefully I'll see you guys later. Alright, so we're good, right? Thanks for watching. Bye.